Hi, and welcome to the next chapter of science. This time we're going to talk about a worldwide problem, basically in every country: waste management and recycling. The management of solid waste has become a major problem virtually all over the world. With an ever-growing human population, the needs to have a better control of the waste that they generate have to be met in order to coexist with the environment. With several hundreds of millions of tons of waste every year, contamination is no longer a possibility, but a reality that needs to improve as the population grows and consumes more. The fact is that the waste comes from items that at one point were made from the raw materials that are the resources of our precious planet. The actual rate in which we are using our resources is faster than the rate that the raw materials can renew themselves. This and the contamination that comes from processing and using these raw materials need to have a balance point with the ecosystems if we are to survive. Contamination comes in great part because people do not know what to do with their non-organic trash. The reality is that this non-organic trash contaminates the most the environment because it takes many years to disappear completely. To avoid this problem, the best thing to do is to use the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce means to decrease the amount of things that we use, which many times are only used for a short amount of time or even unused. Reuse means to find new ideas for those empty containers that many times are thrown fairly new. When we reuse things, we adapt different items to meet our necessities, and in that way we can avoid buying similar things and dump others which will contribute to the contamination. Finally, we have recycling. In this process, items are returned to the new raw material in order to make new things. In this way, we can avoid using more of our natural resources and destroy more the environment. The fact is that recycling is so far the best way to save our planet and preserve our limited resources. Using recycling, one can make a variety of things and is not limited to one item only. You can do pretty much anything you want. So, think again before dumping trash on the streets, parks, rivers, because you are destroying the future for our loved ones. Instead of this, use the 3 R's and try to save our planet. Thank you for watching our video, and I hope you have learned how to take care of our planet.